Meaning of decathlon.
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 Decathlon. Decathlon is a combined event in athletics consisting of 10 track and field events. These events are spread over 2 days and include the 100 meters, long jump, shot put, high jump, 400 meters, 110-meter hurdles, discus throw, pole vault, javelin throw, and finally, the 1,500 meters. Athletes earn points based on their performance in each event, and the winner is the individual who finishes with the highest overall point total. Decathlons require not only physical strength and skill but also mental toughness and endurance. It's considered one of the most challenging events in athletics.